Dear students, in the last video we have started the section formula. In that we have seen, suppose if the line segment get divided into the three parts, if the line segment AB, this line segment AB is there, and that line segment AB get divided into the three parts. So if this line segment AB get divided into the three parts, then how many points we are getting in between these in between these 2 points AB? We are getting, if the line get divided into three part, then we will get 2 points. 1 point is here and 1 point is here. So that is a first, second and third. Like this we are getting 3 parts here. So यहाँ पे हमें 3 parts मिलेंगे. So अगर 3 parts मिल रहे, it means how many points we are getting? We are getting 2 points. If line get divided into the 3 parts, then we are getting 2 points. Similarly, if line segment, same line segment AB get divided into the 4 parts, अगर वो line segment AB 4 parts में divide होती है, so how many points we are getting in between these 2 points AB? We are getting 1, 2, 3 points. How many points? We are getting 3 points. So how many parts? 4 parts. So that 4 parts are first, second, third and fourth part, like this. But we have to find out the ratio. हमें क्या करना है? हमें चाहिए ratio for each point. So suppose I will take here point C. So C point के लिए ratio क्या रहेगा? Ratio, it means the value of M1 is to M2. The value of M1 is to M2. For point C, what is the ratio? For point C, ratio is a 1:2. For point C, ratio is a 1:2. Why 1:2? On the left hand side 1 part is there, on the right hand side 2 parts are there. That's why 1:2 for point C. For point D, what is the ratio? D point के लिए check करते हैं, तो D point के left side में कितने parts है? So on the left hand side of point D, 1 to 2 parts are there, and on the right hand side 1 part is there. That's why ratio is a 2:1. Here suppose 3 points are there, then now for each point, what are the ratios? For first point, ratio is a 1:3. Why 1:3? On the left hand side 1 part, on the right hand side 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. 1:3. For point D, what is the ratio? On the left hand side also 2 parts, on the right hand side also 2 parts. So that ratio is a 2:2. और 2:2 को also क्या कहते हैं? 1:1. 2:2 रेशियो को हम 1:1 भी बोल सकते हैं. Whenever there is a same value on both the side of ratio of this symbol, then at that time that ratio we can also write as 1:1. Like suppose 5:5 is there, that is also equal to 1:1. 5:5 को भी 1:1 लिख सकते हैं. 6:6 को भी हम 1:1 लिख सकते हैं, like this. For point E, what is the ratio? For point E, ratio is a 3:1. For point E, ratio is a 3:1 and so on. So it depends on how many parts the line get divided. But here in now, based on this concept only, we will see the question from the section formula concept. And the question is, I have taken the question from exercise 7.2, and that question number is second. So here what is question? Question here is that find the coordinates of the point of trisection. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment joining 4 minus 1 and minus 2 minus 3. 4 minus 1 and minus 2 minus 3. Once again I am repeating the question. Find करना है. क्या find करना है? Find the coordinates. What we have to find out? Coordinates we have to find out. किसके? Find the coordinates of the points of trisection. Find the coordinates of point of trisection of the line segment joining 4 minus 1 and minus 2 minus 3 and so on. So I will solve this question. So for solving this question, I will write here, let here as the line get divided into trisection, it means how many parts? Trisection, it means 3 parts. So if 3 parts are there, then line segment get divided into how many part? How many get divided by how many point? अगर लाइन सेगमेंट ट्राई सेक्शन में डिवाइड होती है, मतलब 3 पार्ट्स उसके बनते हैं, तो हमें कितने पॉइंट मिलेंगे? ऑब्वियसली वी आर गेटिंग 2 पॉइंट्स. हमें कितने पॉइंट मिलेंगे? 2 पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे इन बिटवीन these two end points. So I will write here, let, what are the 2 points? One is a 4 minus 1 and one is a minus 2 minus 3. So I will take here, let join of a 4 minus 1, join of a 4 minus 1 and b minus 2 minus 3 get trisected. get trisected मतलब ज्वाइन ऑफ किसका ज्वाइन? ए बी का ज्वाइन ट्राइसेक्टेड बाय पॉइंट्स सी एंड डी. बाय पॉइंट्स सी एंड डी. सी और डी पॉइंट जो है वो ए बी के ज्वाइन को ट्राइसेक्ट कर रहे हैं. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ पॉइंट सी एंड पॉइंट डी. इन दोनों पॉइंट्स के कोऑर्डिनेट हमें फाइंड करने. सो हाउ टू फाइंड आउट दैट कोऑर्डिनेट्स? सो हियर टू फाइंड दैट कोऑर्डिनेट्स व्हाट आई विल डू? नाउ आई विल राइट हियर, I will write using section formula. Using which formula? Section formula. Already we have seen this formula. So what is the section formula? Section formula are there for x and y. So for x we are writing section formula as x equal to m1x2 plus m2x1. क्रॉस में जाना है, अल्टरनेट जाना है. इट मीन्स m1 लिया है तो x2 लेना है और m2 लिया है तो x1. लाइक 1 to 2 1 upon m1 plus m2. This is for x. This is for x. And for y, all values is for y only. That is y1 and y2. Like m1 लिया है तो उसके साथ y2 लेना पड़ेगा और m2 लिया है तो y1 लेना पड़ेगा upon m1 plus m2. This is section formula. Using this we have to find out the coordinates. Now here as this point 2 points C and D are there, so for point C, for points C and D, for point C and D I will draw diagram. ये diagram हमारे समझने के लिए, आपने नहीं भी ड्रॉ की तो भी चलेगा, बट अगर आप ड्रॉ करते हो so you will get perfect answer without any mistake. So here I will write A. A के कोऑर्डिनेट क्या है? 4 minus 1. What are the coordinates of B? minus 2 minus 3. Here 2 points, one is point C and one is point D. One is point C and one is point D. I will give here name as for A 4 minus 1. I will give here name as x1 y1. Here is a x2 y2. Now for point C. For point C के लिए अगर चेक किया जाए तो रेशियो क्या है? 1:2. Why? Because left hand side 1 part, right hand side 2 parts. So 1:2. And for D what is the ratio? 2:1. What is the ratio? 2:1. So I will write now for C here. Now again I will draw the diagram ताकि इजीली समझ में आ जाएगा. That is A 4 minus 1 x1 y1. B -2 -3 x2 y2. And here point C, here is a 1 part, here is a 2 part. This is a value for m1, this is a value for m2. Now we have to find out the coordinates of this x and y. Therefore I will write x equal to क्या है formula? That is, see the formula, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Therefore I will write, what is here m1? M1 is a 1:2 minus 2. 1:2 minus 2 plus 1 into minus 2 plus 2 into 4. 2 into 4 upon what is m1 plus m2? 1 plus 2. So that gives 1 into 2 minus 2 plus 4 to the 8 upon 3, and that gives 8 minus 2 6 upon 3, and that gives, which is equal to, that is 3 1 जा 3 2 जा, it gives 2. हमें क्या मिला? वैल्यू ऑफ x इक्वल टू 2. x इक्वल टू क्या मिला हमें? 2. वी आर डिस्कसिंग दिस फॉर पॉइंट C ओनली. नाउ for y what we will write, that is 1 into only y coordinate, 1 into y2 क्या है -3, that is m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1, 1 into 3 sorry -3, 1 into -3 plus 2 into -1 upon 1 plus sorry yes upon 1 plus 2, and that gives 3 ones are -3 plus 2 ones are -2 upon 3, so that gives -5/3, that gives -5/3, and therefore point C is what is point C? That is a 2, -5/3, 2, -5/3. So these are the coordinates of point D. These are coordinates for point D. Sorry, C. Now we'll find for point D. For point D. Now we'll find out for point D. For point D, again I will draw the diagram. I will draw here. For point D, again same here. A के coordinates 4, -1. Coordinates for B -2, -3, and here is a point D. Now for point D, what is the ratio? For point D, ratio is what? See here. See this diagram. C and D. For C, ratio is a 1:2. For point D, ratio is a 2:1. Ratio क्या आएगा? 2:1. Why? 2 parts are there on the left hand side, 1 part is there on the right hand side. So I will write here ratio is a 2:1. This value is m1 and this value is for m2. For point A, coordinates are x1, y1. These are x2, y2. Now here I will write for D. Okay, already we have written. I will write here coordinates for x. X के coordinate क्या आएंगे? Again m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1. m1 x2, m2 x1. That is, what is m1? 2 into -2 plus 1 into 4 upon 2 plus 1. That gives 2 to the -4 plus 4 upon 3, and that gives 0 upon 3 is equal to 0. It means we are getting the coordinate for x is a 0. x की वैल्यू क्या मिली हमें? 0 मिली. Now for y I will write y equal to again m1 y2 m2 y1, m1 y2 m2 y1. That is 2 into -3 plus 1 into -1. 1 into -1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1. That gives 2 3s are -6 plus -1 upon 2 plus 1 3, and that is a -7 upon 3, and therefore point D is what is point D? Coordinate for x is a 0, -7 upon 3 and therefore I will write coordinates of points of division are points of division are C के coordinates क्या है? C के coordinates 2 -5/3, D 0, -7 upon 3, and so on. Like this, try to solve the different question based on this concept section formula. It is based on the parts only. How many parts that line get divided? Once you get the number of parts in which line get divided, and once you get the ratio for each point, you can solve easily each and every problem.